Hey everybody, Don Dabney, Left Coast Classics, and check this out. This is a beautiful 54 Chevy half-ton 3100 pickup truck that was restored a few years ago by a professional restoration guy. He sent it over to Mecum, and that's where my client bought this truck. He's only put about 200 plus miles on it since it was restored. It's kept over in Napa in the wine country. We have it here over in Sonoma now. It's properly stored. It's in beautiful shape. And it's just a hoot to drive. It's great. I love all the extra little goodies on the car. You got the wind deflectors. You've got the light guide thing. I think that helps with seeing signals. And then you've got a very functional truck. Working lights, emergency brake. All the gauges are working. And then you've got the working choke. And the car starts easily in the morning. You just pull the choke out. You know, a couple pumps, hit the pedal, the starter button on the floor, and starts right up. So it's just a great truck, highly functional, and I'm going to take you for a little cruise in it and make sure you check out all the photos and everything, because there's a lot of photos. This thing was really restored and really nicely restored too. So if you want, you know, a really, really nice truck, and you want to consider this one, because this one's pretty awesome. And this Transport Blue, I understand, is a really great color, a rare color. There's not a lot of them out there in that either. So let's take a quick spin. Key on. And I should say, I've been out cruising around. It's a warm, early evening in the summer, and yeah, it's running nice and cool and functioning great. Driving our brand new cars with all the, everything is so perfect in them. It's just nice when you get into something like this, just so simple. There's just no smogs to do, no computers to hook up. You got to work at driving them a little bit, but it's sort of an adventure every time you take it out. Chevy trucks, obviously, as the classic car market has been changing, the cool thing is to the people following trucks is trucks are sort of universally appealing. Everybody likes them because they have function. They're great for advertising, they're great for actually loading up and using, and you can have a good time with them. So it's kind of interesting. We see every age range loves trucks. Alright, so thanks for coming and checking this out, this beautiful 54 Chevy. Check out my website. There's a ton of information up there at leftcoastclassics.com. If you haven't already, if you're not up there already, you might be linked to it. It might be embedded, but my YouTube channel is really cool. As of early 2019, we had over 6.5 million views, if you can believe it or not. I can't believe it. We got some great cars up there that we've had over the years. Check us out on all the social media sites under Left Coast Classics. And be sure to check me out on Wheeler Dealers Season 11 and Season 15, both Episode 8, the 57 Thunderbird and the Lancia Fobia. And I can't really tell you, but there's another episode coming. All right, we're heading under now. So this one, I understand, was pretty, you can just tell it was a serious restoration. The frame off. Current owners tell me it has a little over 200 miles, that it had been reset at the restoration, and they had bought it. So they just take it out a little bit here and there around where they live up here in the Napa Wine Country. We haven't cleaned it or anything, so what you see is what you get. All right, so I'm going to do the ever popular magnet test. Got my little magnet. It's kind of a weak one, but that's kind of what you want. The body and alignments and the paint on this truck are just beautiful. And when you go onto the truck and you look, it's kind of obvious that, you know, things are going to stick pretty well to this truck. There you go. So a really nice body on this one.